exponential sir. Now 2 root 89, 3 root 1 by 2, 5 root 9 by 8, 2, 8 2 root 2, 3, 3, 2, rationalize, 2, 2 into 2, 5, root 9 is equal to 3, 2, 2, 2, 8, 2, 2, this 2, and 2, root 2, 4 by 3, 3, 2, root 2, 5 by 2, 1 by root 2, 5 by 2, root 2, root 2, root 2, 5 by 4, root 2, root 2, 4 by 3, 3 by 2, 15 by 4, root 2, 43 by 12. Please subscribe me. I must be grateful to watch this, realize this, and subscribe.